What's up, everybody? Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just a quick announcement of what I've got right now. There is a poll in my community section uh, that I recently put up just a few days ago. The poll closes on Sunday night at midnight. It's for my next HO scale and G scale live stream. There are four locomotives in there that I've not featured on the live stream. Um, and the options are listed there. So just go over there and just pick your favorite. So now you only have about a couple of days left on that. So definitely want to take a look at that and cast your vote before it is too late. I do have a premiere scheduled to premiere on Sunday. Right now that time should stand, but uh, so definitely take a look at that. That's Spring Along Tidewater Rails Volume 1. And I still have two other volumes that I am still working on. So that's going to be another couple of good series right there that you guys are going to be really in for. It's been a lot of good stuff, and um, I've just been able to find recently, so which I'm very pleased with, and just been very blessed right now. So I'm currently working on those. I still have some scheduled releases floating around a little bit. I did do an HO scale progress video not too long ago and rebuilt three cars. I was very pleased with that. The restoration videos that I have put out have been a very big hit. Thank you to those who have commented and also dropped the like button on those. They seem to be a pretty good hit. There was just a couple cool little things that I was working on, and just thought I'd share a little restoration project there. So, um, don't know how long that's gonna really like be as an occurrence, but that may happen once in a blue moon. So you just don't know what'll come out. So that's a possible. That's more possibility stuff right there. But I'm still working on some other stuff in the studio, just mostly with those two big volumes I'm working on. It's a lot of good big stuff right now. Uh, just just been working with that a little bit and also letting the schedule releases come out. So you'll be seeing some schedule releases be coming out of some various things, and there's a few other lost files in that mix too. I've got a bunch of them that are still lined up for the next several months just to kind of fill in areas where I may be taking a little bit of a break from the channel and just let something else just kind of be like a band-aid until some stuff is done. So I do have some other stuff up there. And plus, premieres are still going to be coming out, guys, and hopefully this summer when the weather really breaks loose, I'll be able to go out and get some more trains, some maybe even some surprise stuff. I haven't decided yet, but just hopefully this summer we'll be bringing some good stuff. So lots of good stuff getting ready to come out. A lot of good stuff ready to happen. So I'm very excited about that. As far as N scale stuff goes, I do have some updates that will be coming along very, very soon that are in the queue to be scheduled released. But I might be doing a little bit of a twist with the N scale. I don't know yet, but there might be a little surprise there here real soon. So that's a wrap, guys. So just remember, be sure to smash the like button and drop a comment down below. And please remember to hit that subscribe button. It really does help out the channel. And also just ring the bell for all the latest updates. A lot of people find it very beneficial to ring that bell, and they're in tune with a lot of that. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do, and please encourage your friends that I'm out here. I can always use a few extra subscribers. Your support means the world, not only to me, but for the future of this channel. So your support is greatly appreciated. So anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'd like to thank you all so much for watching.